Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Gazworld. I'm just doing a little review how to stick car graphics on, motorbike stickers, decals, anything that's self-adhesive graphic wise. Just a little heads up on how to make sure if you buy any stickers, how to apply them, easy, stress free hopefully. So first, what you want to do is get your area, soap and water, wash it all off, dry it, leather it off, and then to degrease and get rid of any silicone on the area, use methylated spirits, the blue stuff. Put that on, wipe it off with a clean cloth to make sure it's totally clean and grease and silicone free. Then what you want to do is get your sticker. This is obviously just one, what I've had for other things. So firstly, you can either peel it off. If for any reason the graphic don't come off like this, so the vinyl's not coming off, turn it face down, get the backing paper and just gently work it off. See there again, it's not coming off, so work the graphic off, work the vinyl off gently. See there again, help the graphic off, help the sticker off. Peel it away, turn it over. Obviously this is your carrier tape with the vinyl sticker on inside. On your clean area, stick down, you can spatula it down, rub it, make sure you work it out, and then once that's done, if it's cold or anything like that, you can gently warm the area, help the vinyl to go down, because sign writing vinyl is made of different oils, so different temperatures will make it stick. Slowly peel away to reveal the sticker, nice and steady. See, if it lifts up like that, help the graphic back down, nice and steady, peel away. And then if you still think it needs a bit more, turn the backing bit and you can always get another one of them, and there you have it, that's your graphic. So if anybody wants to remove this, the best way to do it is to heat it up with an hairdryer or an hot air gun, peel it away. Obviously peel it back away. This has only just been stuck down, so it's not going to bite. Peel the graphics off, which is fairly easy because I'm only using some external foam board. So if it does leave any glue behind after you've warmed it up, peel it away. If there's any glue behind on your bodywork or surface, use white spirit first to soften the glue. Once you've used white spirit to soften it, that should majority get rid of all the glue. After that, to degrease again, use meths, the blue stuff, wipe that clean, and then another one, and that should do it. Thanks for watching. This has been Gazworld. Just a little heads up for you guys what want to put graphics on your cars or bikes. Excellent. Please subscribe. Thank you.